Hey there! Happy Friday! I am here with your first 2-minute flirtorial to teach you the art and the science of flirting. And no, you don't need a feather boa or a fake leopard skin shawl either. Flirting is all about a feeling. It's all about divine possibility and the expectation that you are about to receive something magical, delicious, and life-changing. Now, in order to receive something magical, delicious, and life-changing, you also have to know that you are capable of giving something that is magical, sparkly, delicious, and life-changing. And that's what flirting is all about. It's about holding that expectation. If you've ever bought somebody a present and you're really excited to give it to them and you have that feeling build up inside of you, that is the feeling that I want you to remember. That is the feeling that I want you to channel, because that is the energy of flirting. It's expectation. It's that I am about to give you this incredible present that's going to make you so happy. It's that same feeling when you're about to receive an amazing present, when you know you're coming to a party, to an event, and that somebody who always gives you the best gifts ever is going to give you something. That's what flirting is about, and that's that excitement. And how you create it is just by doing that. Creating that feeling inside of you, remembering how that feels. And then whenever you interact with people, whether it's at the grocery store, 6 feet apart, or on Zoom, or even on the phone, if you carry that expectation inside that this is going to be good. When is the good part coming? This is going to be good. Oh my gosh, I'm about to drop a truth bomb and they're going to drop one back and it's going to be amazing. Then that entire connection becomes happy, elevated, energized, and yes, flirtatious, because you're trying to bring it out of them. Tell me what it is, tell me what it is, tell me what it is, while at the same time, you know you have that magical truth and you're kind of teasing them with some of the little hints. Guess what's next? Guess what's next? Guess what's next? So take that energy with you this weekend, enjoy your flirting, and check back with me on Monday and let me know how it went. Mwah! Bye!